Hi guys, this is Naresh. Welcome to BeWise Healthwise. Today we are going to discuss fat loss plateau. So this is a very widely experienced thing. Most of the people face this issue. They are losing weight and then suddenly they stop. The weight loss is not happening. The fat loss is not happening. So how do we counter it? How do we come out of it? See, you need to understand that your body is also a machine. So whenever a machine hangs, so that is what is happening. We want our body to lose weight and we are working on it. We are working tirelessly for that. The same thing happens. You want to do something in your mobile and your mobile hangs. What would you do? You would reset your mobile. The same thing with the computer. You will restart your computer. So the same thing happens with the body. Now you have to reset the body. It doesn't mean you go back to your old bad habits of eating anything and everything anytime and every time. No. You have to relax your diet just a little so that you are maintaining whatever weight you are having. So for that week you need to relax your body for full week. So that week you need to eat as per maintaining calories, not less calories. So suppose if your maintaining calories are 2000 calories and since you want to lose weight you are eating 1500 or 1600 calories. What I want you to do, eat 2000 or you can reduce a little bit like 1800 or 1850 calories per day. So do that, increase your calories from the what you were doing from before, but do not exceed your maintaining calories. Then when it happened with me, I did the same, and in terms of workout I was only doing walking, and walking is the best exercise for fat loss. Why? I have discussed this phenomena in my previous videos. You can check that in my channel. You can go to my channel and check my videos. So now you have to reset your body. So what I did, I started eating my maintenance calories. I stopped walking, not completely. I was walking around 10 kilometers, that is around 12,000 steps per day. So I stopped that intensity of walking and that length of walking. I was still walking 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,000 steps, around 6,000 steps I was doing per day. I'm guilty of that. I didn't felt good if I don't do any walk or so. So around 6,000 steps I was doing. So 6,000 steps is not that much. It's around 40 minutes of walk in the whole day, 40-45 minutes of walk in the whole day. So that is what I was doing. After that, I went back to my cutting calories. I did not cut much, whatever I was doing that time. So if you were eating 1500 or 1600 calories, go back to 1600 calories only. And in the terms of workout, what I did, I started walking double. So instead of 12,000 steps, I planned to walk 25,000 steps for a week. I could not do it. The reasons and the issues which I faced for these 25,000 steps, I am going to share that in a video shortly. So do remember to subscribe so that you will not make the mistakes which I made when I wanted to stress my body more and I could not do it. But yes, I was able to walk for around 6 days. For 6 days, 25,000 steps, it comes around 150,000 steps, 150,000 steps. I could not do that, but yes, I was able to manage 148,000 steps. So it's just 2,000 steps short of 25,000 steps per day for 6 days. During that 6 days, I lost around 1 kg, and I was on the plateau for 2 weeks. I did not lost anything for 2 weeks, and for this 1 week I lost 1 kg. And before that I relaxed I made sure that my body was relaxed also. So for 1 week, for 2 weeks I lost nothing. For 1 week I ate my maintenance calories. I did not do much of the workout, much of the walking. Then for the next week, I just went back to my normal deficit and started walking 25,000 steps. That is around 4 hours of walking, almost 4 hours of walking. So yeah, it was very stressful, but I was happy with the result. So then I reached around 76 or so from my weight. I was at 77, 78. So I reached it around 76.5 or so, and then I started walking normally, which I do around 10-12,000 steps. So now I can see that every next week also my body lost something. So how much I lost? I lost around 600 to 700 grams per week. So that is the healthy way, that is the sustainable way. So if you are losing 2 kgs, 3 kgs in a week or so, that is not going to sustain. You need to lose in a healthy way to make it sustainable. So that was my secret for plateau. One is reset your machine. Once you have done the reset, then put on some extra efforts in workout. I have told that earlier also in my video where I am discussing best exercises for fat loss. Best exercise for fat loss is steady state workout. I'm repeating again: walking, normal bicycling, PO, that is a new thing, combination of Pilates and yoga. So those are the best exercises to lose only fat. Just remember that. And when I'm doing extra efforts, I'm only talking about steady state workouts. Increase the intensity and the efforts for your steady state workout. That's it, nothing. So one more thing, subscribe to my channel. I am going to share my experience of 25,000 steps per day and what was the mistake I made, so that you guys should not make that mistake and gain the maximum out of it. Thank you.